PLATO Testing is a software testing company that offers opportunities like education and careers to Aboriginal software testers across Canada. I was working as a full-time management position at a call center, and I was at a dead-end job. There was no other place for me to go, but I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. And then I was told about this course. I was like, sure, why not? Like, I know a little bit about computers, and when I got the course, it changed my life for sure. My favorite thing about software testing is the fact that it's a challenge every day, and I always have a project to move on to, or if I'm stuck on something, it's usually resolved and it's a huge accomplishment. Great feeling when you finally get past that little trouble that you're in.
PLATO's helping the community by producing jobs that are meaningful. I think that lacks a lot in a lot of communities. We have employment, but a lot of our employment doesn't have those responsibilities, those demands like software testing and PLATO, which they offer. Having Keith McIntosh's vision on bringing meaningful employment to communities is a really big step moving forward for communities growing. You have people from El Sabuktuk, Escanobadich, Metapanagia. You tend to find long friendships after that, and you really root for each other too. I mean, you want everybody to succeed there.
I was working at the gas bar on St. Mary's for around 2 years. Met somebody who was actually head of creating courses and stuff like that. She partners with Jedi. She put my name down to basically sign up for any course. And what the course that came through was the one that Keith created for software testing. This course is pretty applicable to almost anybody, and I don't think that they should have a fear of failing in it at all. Like, I think if they want to make something of themselves, it's so easy to do. All you have to do is be willing to show up, be willing to put effort into learning, and just put your best foot forward, and you're pretty well set up to actually have a career in software testing.
We go out into communities and we find partnerships, so training partnerships. And there's lots of training organizations across the country that help train Indigenous people. But really, if there's anyone who's interested in technology or IT, we're always willing to talk to anyone. The passion comes from a lot of people. They really like the idea that this is opening a door into IT.
We're looking to expand our operations to Ontario with a major investment in Sault Ste. Marie. We're also looking at expanding to Saskatchewan, my home province, which will make a big difference for communities and my brothers and sisters on the prairies. We're in Alberta, we're in BC, we're in Atlantic Canada, and for me that's something that just it gets me up out of bed at night and keeps me going during the day. We've developed a course on test automation, which will give us the skills that we need to compete internationally and provide our clients with the services that they're looking for. We have a test on agile testing, which gives our staff the skills that they need to work with agile development teams, situated a whole continent away. We're building the skills that we need for the future, and that will continue to serve us well.